Just last week, Wasp released his latest single, Vibes Cartel. Then we heard there was a remix. Sanjay sat with him to get the scoop.
It's a Wasp attack this week. What I go on, Wasp?
You know it going on.
Look, we get straight to the point now. Right now, it's all over the media right now. You know what I mean? One of the most talked about songs right now is this tribute to Vibes Cartel. Where it come from? Why?
Alright, so there's this song named Will. You know that a rapper named Johnny Lucas do it. And
Bad rapper that too, man.
thank you. Creative, very creative. So
Yeah.
I watch the video and I say, yo, this bad. Anyway, I not pay no mind and I never step to them from Brooklyn, link me and say, yo, this is not true enough from Johnny Lucas. And I start listening it. And say, yo, but I just made the same song a while ago. This bad man. And say, yo, creative enough. Then ZJ West link me and say, yo, what's this bad enough? Same Johnny Lucas song. So I say, hold on. This sound weird. Come like me for mash up that beat.
Too much people are telling you the same
the
thing.
same thing. So West say, yo, kill it. I'm just go some boom and thing and I say, yo, if I go kill it, I go definitely pay respect to Vibes Cartel, who I think are one of the best they ever did, you see me? So that's how the idea they come about.
No, we don't all that the reason even before the interview and you don't show your vibe. So you know what I mean, our next one of your mentors is actually Bounty Killer as well too.
Yes.
And you did that kind of wonder, you know, which direction you forgot. I make we know why you did decide say you're going to go in the direction of Vibes Cartel.
Yeah, because real talk, Cartel is one of the baddest lyricists I say. And one of the things I look on the situation I'm in now. You know, everybody say the situation I'm in, and I say, you know, you just never know the hour, the minute, the signs at the time. You don't know what can happen today, you see me? In a situation like that. So I say, best if I give that man him flowers now. You see me? Because we don't know what tomorrow will bring. You see me? And it's a you to ever show me the love. So it's my time now for show him say, yo, we appreciate it, you're one of the baddest. Straightforward.
And we see you shoot even the remix video and we see even Killer them and Sicker Rhymes on the wall.
Yeah, you know, because Bounty Killer, I'm a general, you know, straightforward, you know, you see me?
Yeah.
Bounty Killer make me make money, you see me? Them man, them make Wasp make money, so I can say that anyway, you see me? So, the general, from the general, here the tribute to Cartel, the general called me and said, baddest song. I want to tell you Bounty Killer first post it. You see me? And then the teacher goes on. From the teacher page, I get a post right away. So definitely me give thanks to that because that was one of my things. When I just do the track, I say, yo, I know, yo, if the teacher hear a track like this and show me say I appreciate it, mission accomplished. Because picture you write a full song, you see me, I give a man in props, you see me? So the teacher goes up, boom, you know, and definitely show love. And I say, yo, this is mad, you know. You see me? Grateful for this, you know. But no, you see, if the teacher ever just do a 8 bar on it, a murder. So the teacher do more than a 8 bar, you see me? I just get a verse from him people, 16 bar verse, which is the hardest 16 bar me hear for a while.
Yeah, I did run the whole place on my jail cell. Undisputed Vibes Cartel, freedom is a must. Wish you well, wish you well. I'm feeling like Adi, better than everybody, not for nobody.
Oh, you get that verse there. What the process like?
Yeah, but just I say it's greatness because I say from Bounty Killer post it, you see me, and right after that, you know, I get an official post from the teacher page, you see me? So I just greatness from this. So me reach out and say, yo, we need a 8 bar and you see me, the team, you see me, Vibes Cartel team send back a 16 bar, more than what I asked for. You see me? So definitely big up the teacher, you don't know I'm grateful because as I say, we write a whole song about the teacher and him acknowledge it, and not only that him acknowledge it, him actually remix it. So the official remix out, we just shoot the video in a Cassia Park, and we have to big up people like Kiva, Sicker Rhymes, you see me, the general, Bounty Killer. When Bounty Killer forward in a Cassia Park, it come like a sting him a walk out pan the amount of forward the community give him because at my place at the worstness that and we talk highly about the killer. You see me? So when him forward and killer forward in my place, the love just a normal.
I can't trust nobody. Me monitor like me in Illuminati. Me roll with a shotty. Like Tony Montana, El Chapo like Papi.
I always tell me, no, once them listen to me, my talent talk for itself. And right now, I'm a best moment this in a dancehall because everybody and them cousin, I play the tune with me and Vibes Cartel. And I play the original too as well. So, yeah man, we have to go down, we have whole it more in store. I can't give out everything, but just remember, the next move, I'm going to be the best move.